Welcome, Juice, to Juice Boo's Kingdom. Honey, I'm back with another one. We have this beautiful, I don't even know what the hell it is. To be 100% honest with you, I am going to be doing an 100% authentic, true unboxing. They never sent me a picture of it. I told them what color schemes I wanted. I told them what skin I wanted to be in. And I just told them to surprise me because, you know, there is such a shortage and all this kind of stuff. You know, whatever. So whatever you first get that's available. So as you guys know, if you saw when I unboxed my So Black Birkin, that I am no longer working with my old essay. I'm working with a new one. And for me, I am no longer letting one person think that they are the end all be all. And they just think that they're God. So I'm testing out a few people. So this is the second sales associate. We're gonna see what the bag is about. We're gonna see what the quality is about, honey. And like I said, I'm gonna do a detailed review on both bags and the quality to see what's up. But you guys, I got this package in the mail, hunty. Let's get into the packaging, honey. Let's get into the packaging, honey. The packaging is what we have to get into. It's giving me life, sweetie. So I'm excited to see. Truly unboxing it with you guys. Let's see here how we gotta do this. Ah! Okay. We are gonna open her. Of course, you guys know in the store what they give with these new little things. Gives a full description. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna put that on the side. But as you see, fresh tissue papers, great quality because I have not opened it. I already see a sneak peek. I already see a sneak peek. All the information is here. Oh my goodness, I already see a sneak peek, you guys. Whoa. Da, 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 da. My face ain't seen it. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Wow, you guys. I just don't know what to say. You guys, it is a shiny. Wait, is this? This don't look like alligator. This look like. Actually, no, this is alligator. This is alligator. It's been a minute since I owned an alligator and I had an alligator in my possession because yeah, it's a square, so alligator. But we got it in the shiny alligator electric blue. What does it say? It says Sac Kelly Mini 2 Blue Electric VO Metal. I don't understand all that shit, but yeah. You guys, this is a mini Kelly. guys know me. I only do the exotics, and if it's not an exotic, it has to be a rare piece. It has to be, yeah, it has to be a rare piece. Like, you know, a So Black, you know, a horseshoe Birkin, you know, something like that if I do it in a regular skin. But I'm happy with this mini Kelly 2 and Blue Electrique. The reason why, if you look at my collection before, I personally have never brought myself shiny crocodile or shiny alligator because I feel that because of what I've known is that if you get certain spots on a crocodile, no matter how shiny croc, no matter how much or how quick you are to wipe it off, that stain is basically there. The reason I felt safer buying a mini Kelly and a shiny croc is because it's small. And therefore, if I'm at a restaurant, if somebody spits and talks, or, you know, a waiter could be carrying something and still dripping condensation from the glass and the temperature of the ice and the water and the glass and all that, that, you know, if you have a bigger bag, it has more room for the stuff to drop on. Where if it's smaller, I could guard it a lot more and, you know, put it behind me, protect me, you know, whatever. But this is such a gorgeous bag. It is a showstopper. I personally don't understand why people buy basic bags when you could be like me and many of my subscribers, not wait in a line, not have to spend a whole bunch of money on ugly shit, not have to play the games and be disrespected and go through mental issues where people want to cry because they're being disrespected or not being treated as a human. I don't understand why a lot of people put themselves through that. I will never put myself through that. I will never put myself in any of those type of situations because at the end of the day, this is freaking gorgeous. No matter where I go, people are going to be drawn to it and say how cute it is and, you know, give it all that praise and all that. And it don't matter where it came from. At the end of the day, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's it's luxuriously created. It's luxury. It's quality. It's Hermes quality. It's Hermes craftsmanship. Saddle stitch. It is an exotic skin. Absolutely cute. Shiny and just show-stopping. I don't get it. Why do you guys go buy some damn Epson and some damn Chef? Now, I get it. If you want a cute little casual bag, of course, go for it. But if you want to be that bitch going to Mastro's, Nobu, Cat Chalet, Craig's, Morton, I mean, maybe not Morton's. Definitely not Morton's. But Ruth Chris, Mr. Chow, this is a showstopper. Try to put your Togo bag next to this. It's uncomparable. But to me, I just think it's stupid when you got people like Kylie Jenner who rock some hideous, horrible, fake Birkin. It's fake, it's fake, it's fake! So before we start the video, and you guys believe in the hype, you guys believe just because she Kylie Jenner that she don't wear fakes when it's obvious fakes. That is a dead giveaway. And y'all go run into all them Birkin experts inboxes and ask them, will the feet ever be missing? The answer is, hell no, bitch! The feet of your Birkin should never, I'm telling you, if you bend this and try to take off these feet are not coming off because they are hammered in, honey. She got you know, and you guys look dumb going to the store when her knockoff $150 Birkin is going to be more iconic and more legendary than you spending $50,000, $20,000, $100,000 on stuff you don't want to get something that she got the fake of in a knockoff. When there's so many other ways for you not to play those dumbass Hermes games. Hermes can't get me no more, honey. they can't get me no more because I see the truth. I see what it is. And I see what it gives. It understood the assignment. You guys, it's much more beautiful than I thought. I got no pictures. I got really no heads up. But I'm very happy. Yes. If you guys want a more detailed review, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Any other questions, let me know. But this is from my second essay that reached out. Like I said, I don't work with the old one anymore. This was my second essay. All right, you guys. So to see more videos like this, to see what's coming up, all that, please make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. And let's continue to build the kingdom, you guys. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Talk later. Bye.